Alright, hey YouTube, I'll give you guys a basic rundown of a beginner-friendly guide to botting. I highly recommend the Refract bot, so expenses for 3 months. It's about $349 for 3 months of Refract. You're gonna need a cook group. I highly recommend Signals. They charge about $10 a month. You're gonna need 15 ISP proxies, about $25 a month, and 5 gigabytes of resis, which is about $15 a month. Refract supports sites like Target, Walmart, Amazon, and Best Buy. It performs extremely well on those sites, and you can become very profitable after just a couple drops. So Signals, it's a cook group, and what a cook group is they'll ping you when drops happen the second day of release, and you'll never miss a drop with their monitors. And I highly recommend Signals. They have a very helpful community, and they only charge $10 a month. Some other cook groups charge upwards to $50 a month, so you can't really beat the price of just $10 a month. So proxies required. There's two different types. ISPs for sites like Target and Amazon. They're fast proxies, no data cap, and you're not able to generate an infinite amount of them. So let's say you buy 20 ISPs, you can't generate any more than 20. So you can only use about 20 ISPs total. However, for residentials, they're used for sites like Walmart and Best Buy. These these proxies are slower proxies that use data and have data caps, but you're able to generate an infinite amount of them. All right, so I charge $70 for setup guide, and you can feel free to ask me any questions you have. I'll walk you through the fundamentals and basics and maximize your chances of checking out. I'll teach you things like IMAP, proxies, and settings, and help you on any sites that you have questions about, such as Target, Walmart, Best Buy, Pokémon Center, Sam's Club, sites like that. All right, so let's go to Pokesignals real quick. These are real people that are checking out. You can see lots of people are checking out. This dude got 14 ETBs, some Destined Rivals booster boxes, more megas, prismatic, very good stuff. And for Signals, you can get the links for any of the websites for Sam's Club, Amazon, Costco, Macy's, Target, etc. And then you go to important restocks. This is where they'll ping you as soon as a drop happens. Target, for Walmart. It's just $10 a month, so it's very, very reasonable and very worth the money. And I'll show you guys some credibility right now. These are some of the items I've been able to check out the past few couple months. So Prismatic, Pokemon Center, Mega Evolutions, more Prismatic, Mega, Destined Rivals, ton of Blooming Waters, Costco Prismatic bundles, Journey Together, Black and White, 151. Yeah, just a bunch of stuff, you guys. And also, here's how much I've checked out within the couple this year. Prismatic, Walmart, Mega. So yeah, and keep in mind, this is quantity 12 for Walmart. These are all quantity 12 orders. So I checked out some Prismatic, Mega quantity 12, Target quantity 2, just a bunch of Walmart quantity 12, and the pre-orders right now are going for like 145, 67 for the booster bundle. So yeah, this stuff's very, very profitable. Like for like the Mega Pokemon Center ETPs that I checked out, they're going for about $200. They're like $55 retail. So yeah, like very profitable stuff. So you hit me up for $70. I can help you guys get started. Just a beginner friendly guide.